Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15cs3010ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. A cracked screen can be a frustrating issue for any user. It often occurs due to accidental drops or impacts, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. If left unfixed, you might experience display issues, or worse, the screen could shatter completely, causing potential harm to internal components. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the HP 15cs3010ns. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Lay the device on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the laptop's back cover. Be cautious not to use excessive force as it may damage the casing. Once open, locate the cracked screen assembly. This will typically be connected by several screws along the edges. Carefully unscrew them using the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep track of where each screw comes from. As you remove the screws, you may need to disconnect a few cables attached to the screen. Gently lift the screen away from the laptop's frame, being cautious of any remaining connections. Once the old screen is removed, take your new replacement screen and align it with the mounting points. Reconnect any cables you've previously detached, making sure they are secure but not overly tight. Then, carefully screw the screen back into place, applying just enough force to ensure a snug fit without stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the screen, replace the back cover of the laptop, ensuring it clicks into place. Power on your device and check that the new screen functions correctly. Ensure there are no flickers or dead pixels before finishing up. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case or a screen protector to absorb any impacts. Additionally, always handle your laptop with care and avoid placing it in precarious situations. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.